Which state has partnered with 3 e-commerce companies for boosting its global outreach? Haryana. The Mandu festival has been celebrated in which state of India? Madhya Pradesh. Which is the battle tank has been handed over by the Prime Minister to the Indian Army? Arjun. How many members are there in the expert panel formed by RBI to suggest steps for strengthening and consolidating primary cooperative banks? 8. Starstruck Confessions of a TV Executive is a memoir of which media personality? Peter Mukherjee. Which organization has developed the report Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities, the Burden on Indian Society? World Bank. Which country's astronomers have detected huge optical flare in a black hole BL-SRT? India. Which state has signed a pact with the UNEP for achieving climate resilience and low carbon emission by 2040? Bihar. The New START Treaty is a nuclear arms reduction treaty extended by the United States with which country for a period of 5 years? Russia. Which India's homegrown app has tied up with the ISRO to build an alternative to Google Maps? Map My India. The International Cruise Terminal Sagarika is the first full-fledged international cruise terminal in India. It has been inaugurated at which place? Cochin Port Trust. Who is the author of the book titled The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad, Good News? Meghna Pant. What is the projected GDP of India by financial year 21 as per the Japanese brokerage Nomura? -6.7%. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of the Italy? Mario Draghi. The Tesla has announced the opening of the first manufacturing unit in which city of India? Bangalore.